All right, hello algebra students. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, and looking at our folder for today, we are actually starting 3 days of section 5.3. There's a lot going on in this section. We're just going to be starting the process to solve x cubes and x to the fourths and even some x to the fifths and stuff like that. And so we're going to learn like some new ways to factor, and that's what's going to be happening over the next few days. So taking a look at today specifically, we got the regular video, and then we've got the notes, and then also this one has a note sheet corresponding with it again. So if you have access to a printer, you can print it off, fill in the sheet that way. Otherwise, you can just obviously write out all the notes in your notebook too. That works just fine. And then the assignment's just a regular puzzle piece. I don't really have much else. Just keep on it. Keep asking questions. I really encourage you to reach out if you don't know how to do one of the homework ones. Just send an email quick, and I can make a help video. Or obviously ask it in class would be another way too for those attending live sessions. So we'll have our regular live sessions again today, but the video lesson is always here for those that are unable to attend. All right, that is it.